Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a file on Google Drive on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Google. So you can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to Google Apps, click on the drive. And now to delete a file within the Google Drive, go to the exact file you wish to delete. I see it on screen. Let's just delete the screenshot. Click on the screenshot, right click, and now remove. This will now directly send the file to the trash. If we click on trash, we can see the file is still there. Items in trash are deleted forever after 30 days. Let's just empty the trash. All items in the trash will be deleted forever and you won't be able to restore them. Learn more. Delete forever, yes. Delete forever. And so now the file itself that we deleted from my drive, moved it to trash and then emptied the trash forever. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.